Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this Cotsoco intelligent hand massager. This is a really interesting thing. Could also be a really nice gift for Christmas for everybody who is suffering from some hand pain. It has an air pressure massage, soothing heat therapy, ultimate hand relaxation. It has 3 different strength level, comes with a quiet brushless motor, has strong power and is lightweight. So I'm taking this out of the box and test it for you and then let you know what I think about it. So let's open the box and here we are. So it comes nicely protected, good to know, and then we get a lot of information here. It's a large user manual which describes everything in detail, where to use and how to use. Yeah, the most important specs of this product. Comes also with a nice carry or transportation bag, and here inside we get the accessories. So get this Usbc charging cable, a really good one, and as an extra bonus we get this finger massage roller, so we can use it, for example, like that. Really nice, convenient. Doesn't need a lot of power or special skills or so. You can use it everywhere. You can take it with you. And here we have the main device. You can see it has this nice liner here, so it's very comfortable, but it has also these massage knobs on top which can be very helpful. It has a decent size. I mean, it's not super lightweight but still portable, absolutely no problem if you want to take this with you. And so here on the side we have the charging port, Usbc, so we can charge it from any kind of standard USB power source. You can even charge it while you're traveling from your power bank. And we can see the pulsing light here while it's charging. When it's fully charged, then it stops pulsing. So I removed this charging cable here because it's not recommended to use it while it's charging because it's such a strong device. One thing is really important to know before you start using this and put your hand inside. Remove all the rings, all the jewelry which you have on your hands. And so we put our hand inside, and you can see I'm a large adult male and it fits absolutely easy. So we push the on-off button, then we select the male or female. Males have usually a little bit wider hand, so we are going with that and it starts already. Then we can choose the different strengths. You can see we can even change that while it's working, absolutely no problem. Just try with low setting and then go to high when you think you can bear a little bit of more pressure. But I wouldn't go too strong at the beginning because it really applies a lot of pressure. I mean, it's a good thing, but you have to know what it is. So no matter what this machine is doing, just leave your hand inside. The machine knows what it's doing. But of course you can stop it at any time if you think it's too much or so. And then you can go from there again. The maximum suggested time is around 30 minutes. What we can also add is of course the heat. That's really nice here. So we can activate the heat in 2 different levels or set it on off. And you can really feel the heat. And at the very end of the program, the machine will release the pressure and so you can move out your hand easily, absolutely no problem. You can even use it with some skin lotion if you have very rough hand. Then you go inside of a plastic glove and use it with the plastic glove. So the machine will then work all the lotion deep inside your skin. This can be also a very good thing. And so the question is, what's the bottom line of this thing? I've been using it now for some time and I could really feel quite a difference. I mean, not extreme relief or so. I mean, it won't be an overnight miracle, but what I have felt the most is it produced a lot of additional blood circulation. I could really feel the heat. I mean, it was a little bit difficult to find out where the heat is coming from. Is it coming from the infrared here inside, or is the heat just because of the huge pressure? The pressure is very similar to using a blood pressure device. Probably you are used to that, or you have been experiencing that when the doctor is applying this thing here on your arm and then using a lot of pressure, and this is very, very similar. So after the machine has been doing this a couple of times, I can tell you there's a lot of additional blood circulation, and blood circulation is usually good. I mean, I'm not a doctor, just normal YouTuber, but I can really feel something, and when you feel something, then usually it's doing something, so why not? And of course, could be a very nice gift for your friends or relatives, maybe for your parents for Christmas if they are suffering from some hand pain. And if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.